In today's lecture, we are going to see a new formula, that is section formula. Now let's first understand what is section formula. Suppose we are talking about a segment PQ. Coordinates of P are x1, y1. Coordinates of Q are x2, y2. Now let's take a point M on segment PQ. Now what is M doing? M is dividing PQ into two parts. Now suppose M divides PQ in the ratio M is to N. Now coordinates of M are x comma y. So by section formula, x is equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. Y is equal to m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Again I am repeating it. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now the important thing the student should remember is the point which divides should be considered as x comma y. Now let's see one sum based on this formula. Now in this sum, what is given to us? If a 3 comma 5, b 7 comma 9 and point q divides segment AB in the ratio, so the point which is dividing is point q. So given, we will consider q as x comma y. It is dividing segment AB, so a 3 5 will be our x1 y1, b 7 9 x2 y2. Now what is the ratio given to us? 2:3. This will be our m and this will be our n. Now we know by section formula. What is section formula? X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Let's substitute the values. What is m? 2. What is x2? 7. What is n? 3. x1 3 upon 2 plus 3. 7 2s are 14. 3 3s are 9. 2 plus 3 5. 14 plus 9 23 upon 5. Similarly, here we substitute the values of m again. 2. What is y2? 9. N 3. Y1 5. M plus n 2 plus 3. 2 9s are 18. 5 3s are 15. 2 plus 3 is 5. 33 upon 5. Therefore Q is equal to 23 upon 5. 33 upon 5. So very easy sum. Just student have to remember the formula, substitute the values and simplify it. Now let's see one similar type of sum. In this case the point T divides. So given T x comma y divides segment AB. So a minus 7 comma 4 x1 y1, b minus 6 comma minus 5 x2 y2. What is the ratio given to us? M is to n is equal to 7 is to 2. Again by section formula, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Let's substitute the values. M is 7, x2 minus 6, n is 2, x1 minus 7, m plus n 7 plus 2. 7 into minus 6 minus 42 plus minus minus 2 7s are 14. 7 plus 2 is 9. Minus 42 minus 14 minus 56 upon 9 is equal to again 7 minus 5. 2 into 4, m plus n 7 plus 2, minus 35 plus 8 upon 9, minus 27 upon 9, that is equal to minus 3. Therefore t is equal to minus 56 upon 9 comma minus 3. Now let's see one more sum based on section formula. In this sum, if point P minus 4 6 divides, so what is given to us? Point P minus 4 6. Point P divides, so this will be our x comma y. Line segment AB, A minus 6 10, so x1 y1, B R comma S, x2 y2 in the ratio 2:1. So m:1 is equal to 2:1. So just student have to remember which point to be considered as x comma y and which points to be considered as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Again by section formula. What is section formula? X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now what is the value of x? Minus 4. Therefore what is the value of m? 2. x2 r, n1, x1 minus 6 upon 2 plus 1. Therefore minus 4 is equal to 2r. 1 into minus 6, minus 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. Now this 3 and 6 will not get cancelled. Student make a mistake in this step. So first transfer this 3 here. Therefore minus 12 is equal to 2r minus 6. Transfer this minus 6. So minus 12 plus 6 is equal to 2r. Therefore minus 6 is equal to 2r. Therefore r is equal to minus 3. Similarly, therefore what is y? 6. What is m? 2. y2 s. What is n? 1. y1 10. 2 plus 1. Therefore 6 is equal to 2s plus 10 upon 3. Transfer this 3. 18 is equal to 2s plus 10. Therefore 18 minus 10 is equal to 2s. 8 is equal to 2s. S is equal to 4. Therefore B is equal to minus 3 comma 4. So this was a little bit different kind of sum as compared to the first two sums. In first two sums we had to find out the value of x and y. In this sum we knew the value of x and y. We found out the point B. A 15,5, B 9,20 and A dash P dash B. Find the ratio in which P 11,15 divides the segment AB. So in this case we know the value of x1 y1, we know the value of x2 y2, we know the value of xy. We have to find out the value of m and n. So given A 15,5, x1 y1, B 9,20, x2 y2, P 11, 15, x, y. M is to n is equal to question mark. Now first we will apply the formula for x by section formula. X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Therefore 11 is equal to m into 9 n into 15 upon m plus n will get multiplied here. 11 into m plus n is equal to 9m plus 15n. Therefore 11m plus 11n is equal to 9m plus 15n. Take m on left hand side, take n on right hand side. Therefore 11 minus 9 is 2, 15 minus 11 is 4. Therefore m upon n is equal to 4 upon 2. Therefore m upon n is equal to 2 upon 1. M is to n is equal to 2 is to 1. Now let's apply the same procedure for y. What is the formula for y? My2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Therefore 15 is equal to m into 20 n into 5 upon m plus n. Therefore 15 into m plus n is equal to 20m plus 5n. 15m plus 15n is equal to 20m plus 5n. 15m minus 20m is equal to 5n minus 15n. Minus 5m is equal to minus 10n. M upon n minus 10 upon minus 5. M upon n, 5 2 जा 5 1 जा. M is to n is equal to 2 is to 1. So for both the cases we got the answer 2 is to 1. Therefore we can say that therefore point P divides segment AB in the ratio 2 is to 1. So in today's formula lecture we have seen section formula. So which sums we have seen? A, B, P, ratio m is to n, x1, y1, x2, y2, x comma y. In first sum we saw how to find out the value of point P. In second sum we saw if point P is known to us, A is known to us, how to find out the value of point B. And in last sum if we know the value of A, P and B, how to find out the value of m and n.